Today we're making an easy biscuit and gravy casserole, so stay tuned. Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and thanks for joining me today. So I've got a treat for you. It's an easy biscuit and gravy casserole, comes together in a snap, and it's delicious. Now normally we make this for breakfast, but the day kind of progressed and we're actually making our biscuit and gravy casserole for dinner, but it's going to be just as yummy. So hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Holly and it's nice to meet you. Our YouTube channel is Let's Go Now Adventures, and our channel is about all things camping. You know, whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So once again, if you know anything about my recipes, everything is super simple. I believe in doing a lot of the prep work at home, so when you get up camping, you can enjoy camping. I also do a lot of just one pot meals, you know, dump everything in, get it cooked, and it's done and done. So simple. So let's just jump right in and get started on today's sausage, biscuit, and gravy casserole. So you're going to need a Dutch oven. I've got some cheddar jack cheese, some sausage, eggs and milk, some sausage gravy, and some biscuits. Okay, so let's get started. I've got 6 eggs here, and can I just tell you, when you're going camping, it's just so much easier to get your eggs cracked at home so they don't break while you are traveling. So I've got my 6 eggs and I just put them in baggies. We've got a half a cup of milk that we're just going to mix in with our eggs to make our eggs light and fluffy. So let's get those mixed up real good. You know, you can put your eggs in a container already cracked. I just think it's just that much easier, and it saves space to, you know, crack them and put them in little baggies. So we've got our 6 eggs, our milk. I've got a pound of sausage. Once again, it's already cooked. Oh, guys, it makes it so easy when you can do some of this prep work at home. I'm just not into spending a ton of time doing a lot of cooking. When we're up camping, there's so many other fun things to do that I don't want to spend the time, you know, making a big complicated recipe. Okay, ooh, that looks really good. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And I've already got my coals going. We're going to bake this at 350, so we're going to have 8 coals on the bottom and 16 coals on top. The timing for this recipe for me is probably going to take a little bit longer because we are at 8,000 feet. So we're going to start out and we're going to put this on the coals for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to evaluate. So I've got my biscuits. Now I like to use the flaky grands, and I'll show you why. Let me get this. There we go. So the reason I like these flaky grands is you can actually pull these apart fairly easy because they're flaky. And when I'm making casseroles like this that call for biscuits, I like to pull them in half so that the biscuits aren't quite as thick. They cook that much better. So before we put those on, I'm going to bring my Dutch oven in and pour my mixture in there. Just get it flattened out. And now I'm going to take those biscuits that I pulled apart, and we're just going to layer that on top. Now there's a couple different ways you can make this. I actually just go for the canned sausage gravy. You know, if you're into making your own gravy, you can find a good sausage gravy. Like I said, I'm just all about quick and easy. So this is what works for us. I'm just pulling those flaky grand biscuits apart. And this will make it so, you know, the biscuits get cooked thoroughly, so your biscuits aren't doughy. Yeah, you don't want doughy biscuits. Okay. So we are ready to go ahead and put this on. I'm going to sprinkle about a cup of cheese. And you can add this directly into your egg mixture. I like to put it on top so that the biscuits kind of have, you know, a little bit of cheese melted on them. And that's about a cup. Okay, what we're gonna do is go over, like I said, put this on the coals for about 30 minutes. At that point, once we have, the egg mixture a little bit more solid and the biscuits starting to cook, I'm going to add our gravy, and then we're going to cook it for probably another 30 minutes, mostly just to warm this gravy up. But we're gonna give our casserole a good start before we add our gravy. So, over to the coals. Okay, oh, it looks so delicious. Let's dish up some here. You've got the cheese on the biscuit with that yummy, yummy gravy and the egg mixture. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. What do you think? Okay, so let's just cut into this. Ooh yeah, the biscuit is just perfect. And you've got that yummy cheese, egg mixture. Oh, that looks so good. Let's give this a taste-a-rooney. Is that a word? Taste-a-rooney? It isn't just for breakfast. This is gonna make an awesome dinner tonight. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope that maybe I've given you some ideas of what you can make, not only for breakfast, but for dinner. Hey, it was great to have you along. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Happy camping, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.